asked him what he thought of the Phantom. If he's still bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian pilots to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history, from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present.